responsibilities for emergency exit seating on the back of the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket. Are you okay to find emergency exit? If you're unable or prefer not to perform
pleasure welcoming you to Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. The approximate local time is 1:57. For your continued comfort and your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened about you until we have reached the gate and the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. At that time, it will be safe for you to collect all of your personal belongings and then exit through the forward door. Again, for those of you who are retrieving items out of the overhead compartments, please open them carefully and slowly to prevent items from falling out, which could cause injury. Now, on behalf of your entire Boeing 767 flight crew and all the other folks here at Delta Airlines, along with our SkyTeam partners worldwide, we thank each of you for flying with us today. We hope that in the future, if your plans should call for air travel, you'll give us the privilege and the pleasure to serve you once again.